Working with files and folders. Files. Whatever the work we do on a computer is stored as a file. A file is a collection of data stored in the form of pictures, text, videos, or audios. For example, when we draw a picture in Paint, it is stored as a file on computer. Similarly, the work done in MS Word is stored as a separate file in computer. Every file is known by its individual unique name. But files created in the same program have the same icon so that you can easily identify and organize them. A few examples of file icons are given below. Folders. Folders are the containers or space which help us organize related documents or files together. A folder may contain other folders called subfolders. Just like a file, a folder also has a unique name. A folder can contain any number of files and subfolders. Let's understand files and folders with the following diagram. File, folder, file. File, subfolder, file. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and managing files and folders. It is also called File Manager. To open Windows Explorer, follow these steps. Click Start, All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. You can also click the folder icon on the taskbar to open Windows Explorer. The Windows Explorer window appears. The Windows Explorer screen is divided into two panes. The left pane, also known as the navigation pane, displays drives and folders. The right pane, also known as the contents pane, displays the folders and or files in the selected folder, that is, the contents of that folder. Libraries. Look at the left column of the Windows Explorer window. You will see a special type of folder called Libraries. Libraries folder helps you access all your contents of one type through a single folder. For example, you can access all your pictures and image folders in one library called Pictures. Suppose you have a picture anywhere on your computer system and you want to include it in the picture library. Go to the location of that picture or folder, click Include in Library on the toolbar and select the Pictures library. There are 4 default libraries in Windows 7: Documents, Music, Pictures, Videos. You can also create your own libraries by clicking New Library on the Libraries toolbar. Creating a new folder. To create a new folder, follow these steps. First, in the left pane of the Windows Explorer screen, click the drive or the folder in which a new folder is to be created. Second, click New Folder. Or, in the right pane of the Windows Explorer screen, right-click the folder in which a new folder is to be created. A context menu opens. Bring the pointer to the New option. Click the Folder option. Third, a new folder will appear in the right pane of the screen. Fourth, the name box of the folder is highlighted. Just type the name you want to give to the folder. Suppose you name it My Project. You will find that a folder named My Project has been created in the right pane of the Windows Explorer screen. Renaming a file or folder. To rename a file or a folder, follow these steps. First, in the right pane, click the file or the folder you want to rename. You do not need to open it. Second, click Organize, Rename. Or, right-click the file or folder you want to rename. Click Rename in the context menu that appears. Third, type the new name, Our Project, in the highlighted area and press Enter. You will notice that the name of the folder has changed. Copying and moving a file or folder. Copying a file or a folder means placing it in another location, destination, without removing it from its original location, source. When we copy a folder, all its contents also get copied. Moving a file or folder is shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, destination. When we move a folder, all its contents move along with it. There are various ways of copying or moving a file or folder. Using the Organize menu, To copy, move a file or folder, follow these steps. First, click the file or the folder to be copied. Second, click Organize, Copy or Cut to copy or move the file or the folder. Or right-click the file or folder you want to copy or cut and select Copy or Cut in the context menu. Third, click the destination folder where the file or the folder is to be copied or moved. Fourth, click Organize, Paste or right-click the destination folder and select Paste. Fifth, the file or the folder is copied or moved to the destination folder. Deleting a file or folder. To delete a file or folder, follow these steps. First, click the file or folder to be deleted. Second, click Organize, Delete or right-click the folder and select the Delete option from the context menu. The folder gets deleted.